Alright, so here's a brand new RUuD heat pump that just fired up. This thing just got installed last week. It replaced that 2013 4-ton Goodman heat pump, which I got a video of last month. It's got an LG scroll compressor. Oh, and this one is fired up as well. It's looking great. Yeah, it's from December of 2024, and it's a 4-ton, just like the old one. Yeah. Let me get a picture. Now I'll insert a picture of the old unit that used to be here as well. But yeah, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.